Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see, our keyboard stuff came, so like, if you guys enjoy this. I'm kinda like tired right now, so like I'm not fully awake. So I'm not talking that hype. Oh shit, I was watching it. Oh shit. Cancel. Okay, so today we're gonna be customizing, well not customizing, like basically taking off our old keycaps and putting our new ones on. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to like the video. So if you guys enjoy. I just don't know where I'm gonna place the camera because I want you guys to see the keyboard. So yeah, that's probably good right there. Alright guys, can you see me? So the keycaps that we got today, I already put some of them on. We got light blue and dark blue, my favorite color. We're gonna start putting these on. So we got this, P-O, and other stuff. So that's gonna be right here. It's kind of a trash keycap color that they give. So if you guys ever get these, I would not recommend the one that they give. What's that sign? What is this sign? Freak, bro, it's the same. You know, that goes like that. Okay, there we go. And we do have brown switches. And I do them one by one because I still don't know, like, I can't memorize the whole keyboard keys. So, like, some people that can memorize the whole keyboard keys so they know where all the keys go. I don't know that. I don't have that good of memory on this type of stuff. So, I do it one by one. It might take a little longer, but it doesn't matter. I got the time. Okay, that is starting to look fire, not gonna lie. Alright, now let's go to our next set. And this side got cut properly. There we go. It's gonna get opened. Okay. So we got our control, function, alt. Alright, so let's do control first. Honestly, the dark blue with the light blue, I really like that style. It looks nice. Function key. Since this side doesn't have a Windows key, we're going to be using this instead. I don't know if you guys can see, because I don't know what this button is. But that's going to be our Windows key, so yeah. And then our alt. Okay, that is starting to look very nice. Not gonna lie, it's very nice. Okay, so now let's go with our, what is this, our backspace, and then 0, and then the other piece. Let's go with backspace first. Honestly, the Ducky keyboards, they're nice with the custom keycaps and the regular keycaps that Ducky give and stuff like that. But the one thing Ducky should improve is changing the color, the lighting on their RGB keyboards, because they should do it through a software, because I find it pretty confusing having to do function alt, caps lock, and then like doing red, green, and blue just to get a certain type of color. If you guys agree with me on that, leave it down in the comments and say I agree, because I just don't like how that is, because it took me so hard just to make pink. I had to like search up 3 YouTube videos on just how to make the color pink. I mean, not pink, blue. I did pink before, but it didn't look good with the blue, so. Make sure the keycaps are on the right way. We don't want them on the wrong way, else it's not gonna look good. That one snapped in place. Let's get the 0 out. Put that in place. Okay, so we got this side of the keyboard starting to look pretty fresh. Let's get a space bar and stuff. Okay, so let's get a space bar. Okay, that just yanked off the space bar. So we got our new light blue space bar. Make sure it snaps right in place. We got brown switches, so when you, like, right now I'm like tapping them like really hard, so now they're loud, but when I tap them like gently, very quiet. Okay, see, this one has the Windows key, this one right here. Oh my god, I almost caught that. Where'd it go? Keyboard's honestly looking very nice right now. Can't lie. Okay, since I know where all these go, let's do that. Alt will go there. Windows will go. Gotta make sure they're the right way. Windows will go here. Control go there. Cool. That space bar is honestly looking better than this one. Not gonna cap, because I really like this color. The frosted blue with the... Honestly, this blue is my favorite color, and these type of blues are my favorite color. The teal, I think this is cayenne. I think this is teal, I'm not sure. It's like a frost type of blue. This is frost blue, and then this is, I think this is cayenne right here. These are my 2 favorite blues, and yeah. I have my LEDs as these colors, so I'm trying to match. We are almost done. Grabbing some of our letters right here. Okay, so now we got shift. So this is our shift key, because I like how these ones have it types it out like shift, and then the ones I have right here, I'll show you just in a sec. It's just the arrow. So I don't like how it's just the arrow. I like it when it actually says shift. There we go. Got placed on. Yeah, it's starting to look pretty fire, not gonna lie. So make sure these are in order. This is actually gonna go right here. This is M. This is N. It was this N? Yes, it was N. Okay. Making sure I don't want to get it wrong. Okay, now B. Where's B at? B, right here. Honestly, these keycaps are around, I think, 20 bucks? 18 bucks? I think it was $18. This is V. Make sure it's on the right way. Actually, I don't put my finger in the middle. I just like, not like that. It's easier. See. It's on the right way. I'm sorry, guys. I couldn't record a video on the birthday party. I honestly started to tear up after the speech my friend gave and the other speeches that Dad's friends made. They're all nice people. Especially the first time I cried at my own birthday party. Not gonna lie, it was my parents, I'm pretty grateful for it because they did a very big party. That was like the biggest party in my whole entire life I had. And I'm not gonna lie, they are very nice parents. Because if I had parents that didn't care about me, honestly, I would have had the shittiest party ever. Okay, so now we're doing K. Oh, shoot, guys, my mom's calling. Wait. Yeah. Hello? I'm just using the bathroom real quick. Huh? Yeah. We're back. So, just got a phone call. Oh my god. Okay. Honestly, guys, the keyboard's looking sick. Looking very nice. J. This is J, and this is H. And it's a pretty trash keycap puller, not gonna lie. They should have, the people that made these keycaps, I forgot what the brand was, they should have put a better keycap puller. So honestly, this keycap puller, it's not that bad, it's just, it's not that good of material. It's really not that bad, it just kind of hurts your fingers afterwards. What was that, G? I don't know if you guys can see. You guys can see that? F. If I had my webcam right now, honestly, I could have been doing this live. DSA. I know my own keys for these because these are the keys I play with. D, S, and A. D, S, A, and then caps lock. We are almost done. And this keyboard is looking sick. It's looking awesome. Almost done, guys. Almost done. I rushed outside. I was like, I hope these are my keycaps. It was a small box. And then when I shook the box, I didn't know what was in it because it was making a very small sound. And then my class was about to start, and I was like, crap, I gotta go upstairs. And then I was like, man, I might as well open it. I opened it, I was like, oh my god, it's my keycaps. I don't even know if I'm pulling these out the right way. It's a W. We just got the top row and we're done. We could go take Coco out to pee. So now she's probably like, yo, where's Shauna? And I was like, Coco, gotta wait, my guy. This is R. Make sure it all in good. Oh my god, I like pulled up my whole entire keyboard. Make sure they're all in. YUI. And see, the keycap puller didn't go in all the way. That's why I was lifting up the whole keyboard. Also getting a matching cup that will match this. My cousin's making a cup for my birthday because when she came to the party, she didn't have the supplies, or I don't know, she forgot to give it to home, so. Or no, she didn't know what to get me, so she's making me a cup. We got I. So I was like, why not match it as my keycaps? I have a whole black keycap mess on my desk right now. Honestly, this desk is basically my YouTube station, my work station for like editing videos, doing all this stuff, building PC and all that stuff. I'm not gonna keep this Ducky escape, but I want to go to the blue one because I want to keep everything the same. I don't want to put another shade of blue right there. Pop the escape button in. Got 1, 2, 3. Okay, I could pop all these. Oh, I already know what this is. 1, 2. Already know how the numbers go. Oh my god, that noise, the clicking, it's so satisfying. It's like ASMR. One, 2. Yeah, see, this one's different because 2 is like this. It was at the top, but now 2 is at the bottom. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. 0. Oh, and guys, I'm not gonna lie, this looks insane. I'm not gonna cap with you guys. Look at this nice blue keyboard. Let's give you guys a sound test for the brown switches. That looks amazing. And that's it for this video, guys. I will see you on the next video. I'm going to do gaming with this keyboard later. And I have to go take out my dog and clean up this mess. So, peace.